Where to upload PGP public key? Are key servers still surviving? I want to upload my PGP public key on a public server. Till the time PGP was an independent organization, I heard a lot about key servers, but after Symantec acquired PGP, what is the future of these servers? Is there any other alternative way to keep my public keys online?
Yes, KeyServers still exist, though the situation has changed since 2011. The SKS KeyServer pool, stats, is still online, but just barely. Its participants have dwindled since this post was originally written in 2011, dropping from around 100 to just 20. Of those, only 1 to 2 servers participate in the HKPS subpool, which is used by Nuke in the default configuration. If your Nuke reports general error when retrieving keys, that's because the pool has completely drained and you must switch to a non-pool URL. As of 2021, the pool is no longer maintained. This doesn't mean that all of the individually run key servers comprising it will disappear, but it does mean that the pool.skskeyservers.net URLs will stop working. Some key servers, such as Ubuntu KeyServer, have replaced SKS with more modern and reliable software such as HockeyPuck. They do however still synchronize with the SKS pool. One of the oldest remaining key servers is pgp.mit.edu, now running SKS software, previously PKS for a long time. It synchronizes with the SKS KeyServer pool. The old PGP global directory is still online, untouched since 2011. It is not part of the SKS pool and doesn't sync with other servers. New standalone servers are showing up, such as keys.open.org, since 2018. This particular server does not synchronize with others, and requires key owners to opt into being published. The SKS software has been written to accept anything that looks vaguely like a PGP key packet to and store it forever. Its gossip protocol only exchanges new packets, but by design has no way to propagate deletions. This has caused problems for a long time, but started getting massively abused in 2018 to 2019, which eventually led to the SKS KeyServer pool's slow demise. Most new key servers don't have synchronization partly because they want to figure out how to combine opposing goals. One of the possible alternatives is Nuke's Web Key Directory, WKD, protocol, which simply allows the keys for addresses under a given, at domain.tld, to be published through HTTP at the same, https://domain.tld/. This of course only works if you know the email address. It's useless if you're verifying signatures and all you have is the key ID or fingerprint. Previously there were attempts to implement key publication through DNS, using CERT and PA. Those methods haven't achieved broad adoption and are no longer supported by Nuke.
As of mid-Sept 2019, 3 months following launch, keys.open.org News has this to say. It is now used by default in tools, Enigmail, OpenKeychain, PuckSync, Debian, Nixos, and others. The adoption rates are impressive. According to the news quoted, keys.open.org saw an increase from about 2,000 to 70k verified email address in a 3 months span just this year. If new key servers are seeing the kind of reception we've seen with keys.open.org, it would be hard to say not only are key servers surviving, they're growing in popularity.
I was facing the same issue today and found that neither keyserver.pgp.com/nor skskeyservers.net/ would reply timely to me. However, I found that keyserver.ubuntu.com worked.
Update: in 2017 you might want to consider using Keybase, the social approach to public key verification. Keybase is a free, open-source security app. It's also a public directory of people. The Keybase app helps you perform cryptographically secure operations with people you know on the internet, chatting, file sharing, even publishing public documents.
If you're looking for official, there are some special people.